Drive-in Cinema Malaysia brings a concept that has never been done and has never been seen and experienced in Malaysia. It also acts as a great attractions for our local domestic travelers, thus improving our local tourism industry. As in our event industry, we were heavily impacted by this pandemic as well. Hence, Drive-in Cinema Malaysia also aims to help our event sectors by promoting, creating more job opportunities. Part of the proceedings of Drive-in Cinema Malaysia will be donated to selected communities that are in need of help and support too.
With the implementation of digital lighting effects during some of the scenes, this will elevate the movie experience as well. Cars will be arranged in an optimal viewing angle to ensure everyone enjoys the best view. The arrangement session for the audience to surprise their partners, and all ticket buyers are welcome to submit your ideas in our website. Our drive-in cinema can be utilized to conduct various events such as gala dinner, conference, seminar, team building, and etc. You can even organize sports viewing party, be it football matches or F1 racing. It's a brand new way and exciting method to conduct events. On top of that, the cost is a lot more effective compared to the conventional way. Plus, the company doesn't need months and weeks to plan. It can take you less than 1 week to organize event when you do it utilizing our drive-in cinema format. We are currently still open for collaboration, and let's make this event a success together with us, Perk Idea. Thank you.
Okay, the tourism industry in Malaysia has taken a massive hit as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, because international travelers is still prohibited and the tourism sector is to depend on domestic tourism. That is the fact of it. Yeah? And as Mr. Fan was saying that we are now in the midst of discussion as well how to go together with him if we were to do our roadshow and everything to all the states. So what we want to do is to leverage more on the domestic tourism and to make the people to travel domestically. Okay, of course, now we are doing in KL. We want people from outside to come and experience it in KL. But on later stage, then maybe we are going to do our roadshow together and see what are the things that we will do. And we will add more kind of promotion activities during this cinema.
We will be collaborating with them to obtain vouchers as well to be included in the package.
We believe that people were actually willing to spend that money, which consider a very, very reasonable price to experience what we're preparing for them.
Universal Pictures and 20th Century Fox. So more information, please stay tuned to our website.
At this moment, the drive-in cinema will be for this pandemic to comply with whatever situation we are facing now. But like I mentioned just now, we also plan to make this immersive experience to be an annual attraction in Malaysia, meaning that every year we will deliver and we will create a different kind of format of immersive experience. The movie rights that we got is not the latest movie. It's actually the previous blockbusters.
Of these people they don't mind to pay if they have all this kind of value-added things, something new to experience. The lighting, the sound system, the sound system from the audio, but they are going to have the icon of the cinema and everything. So something that for us to experience, new thing to experience.
At the same time, we package some of our members vouchers, yeah, trial package, and these will be creating a dual benefit, whether it's for the drive-in, third, and the other one is benefiting the retailers, because as everyone knows, now is a downturn for our economy. We cannot spend any more money for promotion, but we can offer a lot of good things from the retailers. I think everyone will benefit. The consumer benefit, the retailer benefit, and the drive-in concept will benefit. I think this is very encouraging movement.
Because the concept, this is Mr. Cage, is very innovative, and with the SOP, with all the things that are good in place, all these are taken care of. This is something that we also want to promote. Now, as what Datuk just now mentioned, at this current point, at this current situation, our members are really in need of something that we want to really set. So, another opportunity for us, for our members, to package it, something like combo. So, we can package it together with other things. So these are the things that this is one of the elements that can be added in. And then when we throw this idea to our members, they are very, very supportive.
Ini adalah sebagai satu program yang akan berlangsung pada bulan September ini, yang merupakan satu produk baru kalau kita bercakap dari segi industri pelancongan negara. So, sesuatu baru yang kita perlu yang akan memberi pengalaman kepada kita. Walaupun menonton wayang ni satu perkara biasa, tapi sekarang ni kita nak buat drive-in. Maknanya kita ada satu keadaan di dalam kita menangani pandemik COVID-19 ini, tetapi kita masih lagi boleh menonton wayang dengan kaedah-kaedah yang disediakan. Bukan itu saja, sebab itu dia panggil immersive drive-in cinema, yang mana dia ada experience atau pengalaman-pengalaman yang akan kita lalui sebelum kita menonton filem-filem ini nanti. Dan seperti mana yang saya katakan juga, kita mengambil kaedah ini ataupun menggunakan platform ini juga untuk mempromosikan industri pelancongan negara, yang mana sebelum bermulanya sesuatu tayangan filem itu, kita akan pamerkan juga video-video mengenai produk-produk pelancongan di Malaysia. Jadi dengan adanya juga pihak MATA yang akan membuat package mengenai perkara ini, ianya akan menjadi satu produk pelancongan yang baru untuk kita semua amati dan juga untuk kita menimba pengalaman baru dari segi pelancongan negara. Kita telah berbincang dengan pihak berkaitan, yang mana kita tahu kalau kita bawa di Kuala Lumpur pun, kita akan mewawarkan perkara ini, dan sesiapa yang datang di Kuala Lumpur boleh juga menonton perkara ini. Di samping itu, kita juga akan mengadakan roadshow, cuti-cuti Malaysia roadshow kita yang akan diadakan oleh Tourism Malaysia, dan kita bercadang untuk membawa bersama agensi ini untuk orang-orang di negeri-negeri lain yang tidak berkesempatan untuk menonton di Kuala Lumpur dapat menonton di tempat mereka. Dalam kata lain, kita menggalakkan perkara ini sebab kita nak menggalakkan interstate dan intrastate movement supaya industri pelancongan domestik negara bergerak. Itu antara tujuan kita lah. Sebenarnya ini adalah permulaan drive-in cinema ini. Dia macam package pelancongan juga. Ada package pelancongan yang murah, ada yang sederhana, ada yang tinggi. So, dan package pelancongan ini juga bergantung pada keadaan dan semasa. Ada kalanya ada promosi-promosi tertentu. Jadi kita rasakan, macam saya katakan tadi, sebab ini immersive drive-in cinema, dia ada elemen-elemen ataupun value added, perkara-perkara value added yang ditambah baik dalam perkara ini. Sebab tu harga dia berlainan. Jadi kita pun akan mendapatkan maklum balas atau feedback daripada penonton. Berbaloikah dengan harga yang diorang bayar tu dengan experience ataupun pengalaman yang akan mereka dapat. Jadi kita sebenarnya lebih lagi dari segi percubaan dan melihat bagaimana respon orang yang menonton. Jadi macam kita katakan, kita tak ada nak diskriminate siapa-siapa. Sebab tu kita cadangkan juga supaya pegawai-pegawai dalam perkhidmatan awam juga diberi peluang melalui package yang kita dah lancarkan, dan juga kita akan lihat mungkin ada masa-masanya ada promosi. So kita tunggukan masa dia macam mana. So perkara-perkara ni biasa, sebab dalam macam saya katakan tadi, dari segi package pun ada package yang murah, ada package yang mahal dan sebagainya. So dia ni agak tinggi, so kita akan lihat sama ada orang yang keluar daripada menonton tu kata it's worth to be there, adakah berbaloi ataupun sebaliknya. So we need to see the feedback as well lah. Sebab tu saya kata tadi, we have to think positive about it and see bagaimana perkara ini dapat membantu dan juga memanfaatkan rakyat Malaysia. Ya. Tidak, kalau saudara amati apa yang saya ucapkan tadi dalam ucapan kita akan bekerjasama dengan Finas juga, di mana kita juga akan mempromosikan filem-filem tempatan. Yang tu penting. Selalu kalau ni pun artis-artis tempatan selalu kata, kenapa ambil orang luar tak ambil artis tempatan? Sama juga perkara ni. Kenapa tidak bantu majukan industri perfilman negara kita? Ambil filem-filem luar je. Jadi kita dua-dua, sebab tu mereka juga bekerjasama dengan Finas. Mungkinlah kalau tim dia nanti hantuah ke apa, semua orang datang dengan pakaian pahlawan hantuah dan sebagainya. That is immersive, apa benda yang ni. So it is like a team party in a way also bila you pergi nantilah. So kita harapkan yang terbaik untuk ni, dan of course apa yang dibuat hari ni adalah satu perancangan yang sekiranya perlu dan pastinya perlu diperbaiki dalam masa yang akan datang, dan kita perlu perbaiki baik dari segi persembahan, baik dari segi kos dan sebagainya.
If let's say you have more than 2 persons, the add-on person is just RM30 per person. If let's say you're talking about sedan, which is you want to comfortably to enjoy the show, I would say 4 person. So you can add on 2 person. Let's say you have a bigger car, you have to add on 3 person. You are allowed as well. And kids below 6 and below are FOC.